I remember one of the experiments we did on carbon monoxide was to try and see how the levels of carbon monoxide people got from smoking cigarettes compared with that they got from traffic pollution. And so we rigged up one of the technicians' cars with a sampler in the headlight. They took the headlight out and put a sampler into the headlight socket, and 4 of us rode around in the city. 2 of us had not been exposed to carbon monoxide. One was a medical student who'd smoked 20 cigarettes in quick succession and had got very high levels of carbon monoxide from that. And the other person had been breathing carbon monoxide from a bag and had also got really quite high levels. And over the course of a couple of hours driving around, my level went up, and the level of the 2 people who'd had the exposure went down, and we met in the middle, as it were.